Yes, thanks Ben. I'm Ed Warren from Airbus.
So Fritz, first pass, the RIAT A400M fleet of the Luftwaffe station at Kunstdorf with Lufttransport Geschwader 62, which comes under the operational control of European Air Transport Command, and that coordinates the military air transport aircraft through the assets of 7 EU member states.
Aircraft now, but also France, Spain, Turkey, Belgium, Luxembourg, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, China,
certified, and it makes it into a 3-point tanker.
That's right, the 3-point tanker, capable of refueling a whole range of combat jets from the Typhoon that we see taxiing past us now, US Navy F-18 Hornets, and we're very pleased to have transferred to the French Air Force the capability to refuel helicopters.
Oh yes, because they make use of that with their Airbus A725 Caracal Special Forces helicopters, don't they?
That's right. They're working on training of their crews as we speak.
Wheels down now for this pass.
Yes, you can see over here on the undercarriage, 12 wide wheels straining
sustainable aviation fuel being used aboard one of its A400Ms, and they're aiming to build up to 100% sustainable fuel when something becomes available in Ireland.
Right across the Airbus group and inside Airbus Defence and Space, we're very committed to assisting our customers, like the Royal Air Force, like the Luftwaffe, achieve their net zero targets. So we're really excited about our contribution to that.
So now, what is Christopher and his crew doing to bring the aircraft into life?
Using the head-up display so it's full, which gives them a very precise landing spot in which they'll be able to land. It's crucial on an unpaved runway, for example, to land right where you want to land, and the head-up display